What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. If you missed me, I'm back. I graduated university, got a full-time job, and the stock market is tanking, so it needed a lot of my attention, and COVID. Not much has been happening for COVID, but I've been super busy, so sorry that I've been gone for like a couple months, but I'm back. Anyways, today we're talking about spacers, the spacers that we have on my car here. So this is my 2011 335i. Now on the car I have universal spacers like this. This is 10 mil spacers. I have this running on the back of the car. In a previous video that I made, I had put them on the front and the back, and in that video I said, hey, you know what, it's actually not bad. Like universal spacers, you could definitely run them. However, in that video, I was actually going speed limit and I wasn't really pushing the car. I went, I think, 100. But as soon as I go above like 120 kilometers an hour, the car starts to vibrate. It starts to, like, it's not happy. We're going to be going to Hub-Centric spacers. Now, like, I'm going to be the millionth person on YouTube to be doing this video, but I'm doing it in case it helps someone. Even if it helps one person, I'm happy. So this is what we got here today. I actually got this off of Amazon, so this is going to be linked down below. And these are some beautiful, oh, I even get stickers. There's some ugly ass stickers, but doesn't matter, stickers nonetheless. I'm going to add that to the collection. And they also have instructions. We don't need those. So these are the billet aluminum Hub-Centric spacers. This is a 72.56 hub. This fits perfectly for my you know, E-series E-chassis BMW here, and this is a 5x120. And what I like is that they have this little grooving over here, so that when you want to take these off, you just put a, you know, something in here and you just pry it off. It also has holes here to reduce the weight, and like this is just beautiful. This is 12 mil. We're gonna see now how this fits in the back. So currently on the car right now I have 10 mil. I didn't go 15 because my Summers, the back, whichever the back are up here, the back, it actually sticks out a lot more than these. Anyway, so let's just stop talking and let's start to swapping. So, why I'm doing this? This is why. Okay? So, let's say I put it on, and I don't put it exactly center with the hub. So, exactly center would be maybe something like this. Let's say it's a bit off. Every time it rotates and it's a bit off, more weight gets pulled towards that point. And it just keeps ruining things. That's gonna ruin the hub, it's gonna ruin the bearing, it's gonna ruin a bunch of things. So this, garbage. Now this, wow, it fits so perfectly that it's actually hard to put on because it fits so perfect.
10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
Ooh. Yo! I could have used the 15. It's been bothering me, but I haven't got around to doing it. My license plate lights, the LEDs are finished. Well, one of them is, one of them isn't, so it looks stupid. So since we're here, let's get them to change out. Alright, so these are the old crusty ones. One of them, this one, it's even rusting. So out of that, and we're gonna put in some fresh ones. Lights very good, yes?
Yes.
They're nice.
Alright, boys and girls, so that was a short one, I know, but that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry that I have been gone so long, but I am back, and I'm going to be trying to upload a little bit more regularly. So guys, that's where I'm going to end today's video. We swapped out the spacers. Hub-Centric spacers are the way to go. These ones that I used in this video are going to be down in the description box below if you want to copy yourself a pair, as well as some license plate lights here and any tools that I really use, and including my camera gear on a daily basis. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, sorry that I've been MIA, but I'm back. Thanks for watching. Remember to drive what drives you, and I'll be catching you guys all in the next video. Peace.
Feel me? I might sip up this bottle until it get hollow.